Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make an admin on Telegram group or channel. It's very easy. First you can go to your group or channel. In my case this is my group, and you can go to your group profile. You can click the name in the top, and as you can see in the top right corner there is edit option. You can click it, and now as you can see there is administrators. You can click it, and then there is add admin option. You can click this one, and you can sort your member or person you want to add as admin. I will add this person, and also you can uh, set the permission. Maybe they can change your group info, delete message, or ban user, or if you want, they can do that. You can just like this, uncheck list the permission, and that's it. You can also add custom title, maybe admin admin 2 like this, and you can just click check list in the top right corner, and that's it. It's done. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.